Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see pearl millet halwa, that is kambu in Tamil and bajra in Hindi. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Let us get started. What all ingredients we want. Let us see. For preparing this pearl millet halwa, we are going to take 1 cup of pearl millets. See, this is how it will be. Actually, this is a shop bought one. For showing you, I have taken this. It will be looking like this. It will be big and fat and it will be very dry. But I am going to prepare with the fresh one. See this? This is how when you pluck it from plant, it will be like this. See how nice it is. It is fresh, soft, and it is looking little greenish in color. So as the shape is like balls, pearl balls, it is called as pearl millet. It is very healthy, but normally they used to take it as a rice. But nowadays, since we children will not like it, we can prepare it in other forms like khichdi, halwa, and other things. So today let us see how to prepare halwa. For this, you have to take 1 cup of pearl millets. For 1 cup of pearl millet, we have to take 2 cups of white sugar if you are using white sugar, and 3 cups of jaggery powder if you are going to use jaggery powder. So today I have taken jaggery powder. So let us see. For 1 cup of pearl millet, 3 cup of jaggery powder. Then this pearl millet, first we have to wash 2 to 3 times. Then you have to soak it overnight and you have to grind it in a mixer grinder, and you have to take milk twice. You have to extract the milk. Then I have taken 10 almonds. Then we are going to take 10 cashews. 10 cashews we are going to take. This one we have to chop and keep so that we can sort it to the ghee and you can add it at the last after preparing halwa. This is homemade ghee, around 150 ml I have taken. For homemade ghee preparation, you can just check out my description for box for the link. It will be very nice. It gives nice aroma if you prepare it at home. Then sugar, as I said, you have to add 3 cups. Since I am adding jaggery powder, the color will be looking like a brownie after preparing this halwa. In case if you are not using jaggery and you are using sugar, it will be little white in color. So you can add color to it if you want. Otherwise, it will be looking little dusty or biscuit color. So let us see how to get it started. See, I have washed this pearl millet 2 to 3 times. I have washed and I have soaked it in water now. This you have to soak it for around 5 to 6 hours, so that you'll get, after soaking, you'll get nice milk when you're grinding it in a mixer jar. After 6 hours, you have to grind it in a mixer jar, and then you have to filter it using the sieving thing or filter. Then you will get the milk extract of pearl millet, which we are going to use it for preparing halwa. Let us soak it for 5 to 6 hours. After soaking to 6 to 8 hours, it will be looking like this after grinding. You have to filter it using this sieve. Better to use this fine sieve so you'll get the nice milk. See, now our milk extract, pearl millet milk extract is ready. This you have to keep it aside for around 4 to 5 hours so that the milk will be settled at the bottom. The thick milk will be settled at the bottom, leaving out the water on the top. That water you can just filter it, then use only the milk at the bottom so that you'll get the thick milk. It gives nice taste and flavor to the recipe. Then as I'm using jaggery powder, this jaggery you have to clean it by adding little water and nicely dissolve in water and filter it using a filter before using it. Then let us switch on the stove. Once the pan is hot, we can just add ghee to it for sorting the almonds. We'll sort the almonds and keep it aside, because if you leave it as it is, then it will become soft. You will not get that crunchiness. So let us add at the last. Now once the ghee is hot, let us add almonds to it. You have to chop the almonds like this and you have to add it. Then cashews, chopped cashews. You have to add more cashews and almonds so that it will be nice for halwa. You have to sort it till it changes light color. I mean, it has to change to light brown color. You should be adding more ghee to halwa, then only it gives nice taste. Homemade ghee is always special to any recipe prepared at home. For homemade ghee preparation, you can check out my description box for the link homemade ghee recipe. See, now it is going to change in color. So let us transfer to a bowl. Now after removing the almonds, in the same pan I am going to add pearl millet extract to it. You have to add only the milk extract that is settled at the bottom when you leave it aside. You should not add the water, but I have added water as I have taken the fresh ones. It will take around 40 minutes for preparing this halwa recipe. You should be patient enough and you have to stir continuously so that you will get a nice creamy halwa without any lumps. You have to stir it continuously like this by slowly adding the milk. You have to keep it in a low flame so that lumps will not be formed. Even though lumps are formed, no need to be panic. You can just keep stirring so that the lumps will become a smooth paste after stirring it continuously. Now it started becoming little thicker. Now you can see here, instead of jaggery, if you want to add sugar, then you have to add food color to it or saffron strands as per your wish. See, it is becoming thick. You can see the small lumps formed over there. By continuously stirring, the lumps will break and it will become a creamy texture. Now you can see after some time you will get a nice creamy texture. You have to add pinch of salt to this texture. Now I am adding jaggery water which I have dissolved in water and filtered, as it might have some residue in it, small stones or dust particle. For that I have removed. Now you have to slowly add and mix nicely so that it will get blended nicely and become like this texture. See, it gives nice color. This jaggery, it gives nice color. You can adjust sweet according to your taste. Now you can add some more. As the sweet is little less, I am adding the full water, jaggery water to it. You can adjust according to your taste. See, you have to keep stirring like this till it becomes thick. We have to keep adding ghee. Whenever it's sticking on sides, you have to keep on add ghee. See the texture, how it is. Now it started rolling. It is not touching on sides. If it is sticking, you have to add some more ghee. See, lightly it is sticking. We'll add one more spoon of ghee. Again mix it. When it starts rolling, see, when you push from one side, it should move like a ball to other side. All the whole mixture should move to one side. If it moves like that, then it is a perfect time to transfer to a baking tray. As a halwa, if you want to take it with spoon and eat, then it is a perfect texture and time to remove it from the gas stove. But if you want to make it into pieces, then you have to leave it for another 2 minutes. Now I have added nuts to it. Let us add only half of the nuts. Remaining half we can add it to a baking tray so that it will be nice when you cut it into pieces. Nicely blend it. Now you can see it is becoming little more thicker. It is moving like a dough to one side to other side. So we'll switch off the stove and I'm transferring to a baking tray greased with ghee. Let it sit for 30 minutes. You can make it into pieces. See, like this it will be. See, very soft, spongy and looks like a brownie. You can call it as a natural brownie. Here roughly I have got around 25 pieces like this for 1 cup of millet. So you can try this. Your children will really love it. You can taste this recipe. It will be really good. You can try this recipe as it has many health benefits, as it is rich in protein, fiber, magnesium, phosphorus and iron. It is very good for babies and it has antioxidant as well. So please try this healthy recipe and serve it to your family members, and please leave your feedback and share it to your friends if you like this recipe. Stay updated for my next recipe in the next video. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like and share your comment in the comment box and share it to your friends. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and turn on the bell notification for my further updates.